Yep, thanks for tuning in. You're logged in right here to the Mr. Show. We're going to get right into it. No long talking. This is a skit from Trabass. Big up Trabass. I watch him all the time. And we're going to talk about the creation of life with Adam and Eve in a reggae Jamaican style. So let's get right into it. It's the Mr. Show. I redpillrixter. What? Adam and Eve? Rendition? Let's do this, yo. Like and subscribe.
Tell her if you boil them peas, you know.
Hey, lady, come here. Hey, girl, don't touch me now. I want you. I try to tell you something.
Snake can't talk?
Of course, me can talk.
You have to tell Adam this.
Hold on before you tell him. Me have one apple up in a tree, you know. Me can't pick it coming on no hand. And it ripe, it both for drop. You don't want it?
No, I eat God say, me not fi eat.
You go and make people tell you how to live your life.
Alright, let me try a little piece.
Yes.
Now go tell Adam. Soon come back.
All right.
Where you man? Tell where you man.
Adam.
Hold on.
Adam,
Yeah.
Adam. Me have one apple.
I know the apple that we got to tell you so we not eat.
It tastes really nice and sweet.
Look how you gonna make we get in that trouble.
What you mean? It make me feel nice and honey. Come no man.
Oh, we not do it. Remember God so we not do it. We not do
I'm
it.
not gonna know nothing.
Let me see it. I can't eat it. Remember, this man did that one.
I don't want you to eat it. The apple sweet.
I go call God and find out. Because I don't want to eat it or nothing but God.
Adam, you can't chat so I'm not gonna know nothing.
Oh, no.
It's sweet for real.
That alone sweet, you know, me have something else.
What?
It
Me not
tastes
eat.
nice.
Eat what?
Tastes like me. Come try me too.
Try. Me call God because you have violated it.
Yo.
I feel weird like me never have no clothes. How you do? Hey, girl, you too licky. God, are you that?
Yo.
Adam.
Yo.
Eve.
Hey, boy,
Ja.
you chat too much.
Come talk to the man. You think I'm alone and get in trouble. How would you ask no go do? Me not tell you no say me no want to eat the apple. Eve.
Shut up, man. You chat too much.
Eve licky. And you go follow her and eat
And the
it.
snake tell me to eat it.
See, she licky.
Oh,
me
God.
tell her so she don't go over there. So she
My
go.
fault.
She name too much. You better leave this place. Please, listen.
No, please. I'm sorry.
She
I
licky.
didn't do it. Me sorry.
Me no want soon to know where around here again. Me tell you, you should have make one white woman and one Chinese woman. She don't listen to me, you know. Yo, she don't listen to me, guys. She licky, not me. What?
Yo.
After me find place, put to know.
What God do?
Take care of you, know. That's how you want to live. Go on. Left the place. And don't come back.
Oh, gosh. Adam and Eve inside the groove. It's a Mr. Show, a parody of Adam and Eve. It was crazy. I like it. Well, all right. I just want to give you some information. According to the Christian, Jewish, and Muslim religions, Adam and Eve were the first man and woman on earth and were created by God. While they lived in the Garden of Eden for a time, they ate forbidden fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil and were forced to leave. So, you know, I'm not too much on the religion. I'm more of a spiritual youth, but let me give you another one about Adam and Eve. What's the real story, they say? Because I'm more into Kemet and the Annunaki, so all right, let me see what the Bible story is. What the real story of Adam and Eve, the Old Testament tells of Adam and Eve, our progenitors. They lived in paradise in total innocence until the serpent, the devil, enticed them to eat the forbidden fruit. When they ate the forbidden fruit from the tree of knowledge as punishment for their disobedience, God banished them from paradise. So we ask, why is the forbidden fruit often an apple? Adam and Eve parody, one more time, the Mr. Show. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I got one more piece for you, right? Check this out. What is the story of Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, according to Google? The two were persons of innocence and lived unshamedly without clothes as husband and wife. However, an evil serpent in the Garden of Eden deceived Eve, who ate from the prohibited tree. and ate the fruit and gave some to Adam. With newly opened eyes, they recognized their nakedness and donned fig leaves as garments. Thereafter, thrown out of the Garden of Eden. Oh boy. So one more time, it's the Mr. Show. I redpillrixter, Ting Call, the Adam and Eve parody. Check this out.
Tell us if you boil them peas, you know.
One more time.
Hi, lady, come here, come here. Hey, girl, don't touch me now. I'm tell me, I try to tell you something.
Snake can't talk?
Of course, me can talk.
You have to tell Adam this.
Hold on before you tell him. Me have one apple up in a tree, you know. Me can't pick it coming on no hand. And it ripe, it both for drop. You know want it?
No, I God say, me not fi eat.
Don't do it.
You go and make people tell you how to live your life.
Alright, let me try a little piece.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Me go tell Adam, soon come back.
Watch Adam.
Where you man? Tell where you man.
Jesus Christ. Adam, who are you talking to right now, bro? Yo, check out Adam. Watch him now. Watch Adam. Shout out to Trabass. Full credits to this video for Trabass for putting together some creative Jamaican stuff. Check this out.
Adam.
Hold on.
Adam.
Yeah.
Adam. Me have one apple.
I know the apple that we got tell you so we no eat.
It tastes really nice and sweet.
Oh, God.
Look how you gonna make we get in a trouble.
What you mean? It make me feel nice and honey. Come no man.
Oh, nah, do it. Remember God so we no fi do it. Nah, do
I'm
it.
not gonna know nothing.
Let me see.
Oh, God. All right,
You can't
Adam.
eat it. Remember, this man did that one.
Never want you
Adam,
to
don't
eat
do
it.
it.
The apple sweet.
Me go call
Adam.
God and find out. Come
Adam.
you want to eat it or nothing but God.
Adam,
Call
why
it
you
the
can't check
dogs.
So I'm not gonna know nothing.
Oh, no.
It's sweet for real.
That
Oh,
alone
God.
sweet, you know, me have something else.
What? Me
Nice.
eat what?
Tastes like me. Come try me too.
Try. Me call God. Can you have
Oh, God. Call God.
Jesus?
See me, yeah? See
Me
me, yeah?
feel weird like me never have no clothes. How you do?
See God, yeah?
I never know this.
Hey, girl, you too licky.
Look at this face. Calling the dogs. Yeah, after you're there on the phone and talk to a woman now, you get kind of physic now. All right, so Adam, what happened, Adam?
God, are you that? Adam. Eve. God.
Watch God.
Eve now listen.
Watch
Hey
the
boy,
fig
you
tree
chat
leaf.
too much.
Come talk to the man and think I'm me alone and get in a trouble.
Yo, Eve is a classic right here. What did Eve say?
Chat too much.
Come talk to the man and think I'm me alone and get. Eve now listen.
Hey boy, you chat too much.
Come talk to the man and think I'm me alone and get in a trouble. How the rest no go do? Me not tell you no say me no want to eat the apple. Eve.
Shut up man, you chat too much.
Eve licky and you go follow her and eat
And
it.
the snake tell me to eat it.
See, she licky. Me tell her so she don't go over there so she
My
go.
fault.
What
She
she do?
name too much. You better leave this place. Please, listen.
No, please. I'm
she
sorry. I
she
didn't
licky.
mean to do it. I'm sorry.
Me know.
Hold on, Eve is taking accountability. Okay, she's taking
soon you know
accountability.
where-
She said, it's me. I'm sorry, it's me. Watch. No, I ain't lying, bro. Watch out.
Listen.
No, please. I'm
she
sorry. I
she
didn't
licky.
mean to do it. I'm sorry.
Me know want soon you know
Right?
where around here again. Me tell you should have make one white woman and one Chinese woman. She not listen to me, you know. Yo, she not listen to me, guys. She licky, not me. What? Yeah. After me fight, please.
What? Before God talked to them, the man him said, you should have make one Chinese woman or one white woman because. Oh, God. He ain't lying, bro. I wonder if a Chinese woman would I eat it. Let's go.
Please, listen.
No, please. I'm
she
sorry. I didn't mean to
licky.
do it. I'm sorry.
Me know want soon you know where around here again. Me tell you should have make one white woman and one Chinese woman. She not listen to me, you know. Yo, she not listen to me, guys. She licky, not me. What? Yeah. After me find place, put you know. Take care of you know.
Yeah, please.
I saw no one live. Go on.
No.
Left the place. And don't come back.
Thanks for tuning in. That was great. The Adam and Eve parody. It's I, redpillrixter. I had a great time with that. Thanks a lot, everybody. It's a Mr. Show, and thanks for tuning in. And don't stop tuning in. Like and share and subscribe right here.
Emotional damage.
Thanks a lot, bros.